And the body sound is a Canada. Body sound. Body sound of Canada this.
The black reaction lead the way.
Body sound is a Canada.
G-Man the general there.
As I listen black reaction.
Tell them super black. Body sound.
You ready?
Body sound of Canada. Body sound is a Canada. Yeah. Body sound. What is it?
Yo, black reaction.
Body sound of Canada.
Yo, no big FC. Yo, Super K. Yo, blacks. You don't know here, my youth. Now this is Mikey Spice's sound boy. He did. Every Jamaican put your here right now. I'm serious to play it. That's on touchdown.
The days of fire and sunshine most of the time. That reaction is slave.
We have one more car blocking and the system memorize the license plate. So listen up. What kind of car is this?
A blue Kia CZMA 102.
I will try this old bro. Kia from one where I beg you. Pull up black. Kia good car. New car now. You can't call people that car old bro car. Take up the old iron and move. If people want to go in the yard, I want to know. If you drive a blue Kia, you're blocking someone, please remove your car. Need no problem. Blocks. We don't need no motherfucking. Stop the truth.
Bad sound.